What if you could start a side hustle over 60 with no experience needed? That's what I'm going to share with you today. I had lots of experience, lots of education, and lots of success in different areas of my life. I didn't have consistent financial security. I still experienced times of stress, struggle, and overwhelm around income. I really needed a way to earn extra income in order to survive, as well as set myself up for the retirement that I wanted and deserved. That's when digital marketing, something I'd never even heard of, landed in my lap. And what happened next completely changed everything for me. I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mama of two. I've been exactly where you're at, wanting more time, more income, and less overwhelm in my life. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. When I started this, I didn't even know what digital marketing was, and maybe that's where you're at too. I just needed to earn extra income. And when I saw a friend and colleague doing that and having fun, I asked her what she was doing. And she said digital marketing. And I said, "What's that?" I had no clue what steps to take. I had no technical background. I had no idea how this would work. But this program I stumbled into had a step by step plan. All I had to do was follow along. And the surprising part was that I made my very first sale while I was still learning. It was the proof I needed to know that this would work for me. You don't need to know everything before you start. You just need to be willing to learn as you go. Are you thinking this is kind of making sense, but you need to know how it fits together? Well, I needed that too. So download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. What if you could learn a new skill and get paid at the same time? Wouldn't that be awesome? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. As I was learning the basics of digital marketing, how to share the products online, how to use the simple tools, I was already earning commissions. Each small step built my confidence. And those early commissions gave me breathing room I desperately needed. You don't have to wait months to start seeing results. With the right system, you can start small and grow while you're learning. Ready to learn more about how this all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I followed, and it breaks it all down for you step by step. Here's the part that really took the pressure off. I didn't have to create anything from scratch. The websites, the products, the programs, and even the emails were already built for me. That meant that I could start earning right away without wasting tons of time on learning tech and learning how to design things. The products were digital and the profit margins were high, and I earned 100% profit on everything I sold. If you ever thought I'm not techie to do something like this, then let me assure you that at over 65, if I can do it, you can do it. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step by step plan that I use to go from zero to earning online. The very first time I earned income while I was asleep, I knew that this was different. The system itself worked while I was sleeping. The automations, the emails answered questions, the system collected the income so that when I woke up, there was 900 in my account. That's when I realized this was not just an ordinary side hustle. It could be a path to real financial freedom. You don't have to trade your time for money anymore. That system is old. You can be up to date with the way of the future where automation runs your business, and you can be doing other things while you're earning income. Automation actually gives you your time back. Need a clearer picture of how this all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below and get the exact step-by-step plan that I followed to go from zero to earning income online. Maybe you're wondering if it's too late for you to start something new. Maybe you're thinking, I'm too old. It's too late for me to start something new where I can earn income and help others to do the same. Maybe I don't have what it takes. Are these some of the negative thoughts that run through your mind? I asked myself these very same questions. But the truth is, women over 60 bring something very special to the table. They bring life experience, they bring resilience, they bring a voice that people can trust. This industry is full of opportunity, and there is a space for every single one of us. You're not too old and it's not too late. You can start right now and you can succeed. So here's what I want you to take away from this. I started with no experience, no plan, and quite honestly, no choice but to figure it out. Digital marketing not only gave me income, it gave me hope for my retirement and freedom in my future. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest reason why you've hesitated to start a side hustle? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Your conversation might help other women as well. If you're curious about the exact step-by-step plan that I took, I've linked it in the description below. This isn't just about surviving. It's about building a future that you can be proud of. Now that you know how to start a side hustle over 60 with no experience, you might want to learn how I made $8,350 in 1 month with a done for you system. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair that with what you just learned and what's in this video, it's way more powerful. See you on the next video.